Eric with Radio Arizona RV, and today we're going to be installing a windshield cover on a Sprinter Mercedes chassis. But first, take note that the windshield wipers are in the up position, makes the installation a little bit easier. So we're going to start with the passenger side door. So we're going to take the cover, put a pocket here, right on top of the door. Come around to the driver's side, and we just open the door a little bit and put the pocket right over the top of it. Close the door, put the magnet on, adjust the strap, put the wipers down. Come over to this side, adjust the strap, and readjust the magnet, and that's it.